Alright, so this video is how to make a design to use for our element of art line. And this is just the beginning point. There are two different designs that you can choose from. You can choose from the circular design or the star design, but I'm going to show you how to do both of them. I will probably break this up into two different videos. So this will be part one. And these are the beginning designs of what we're going to do, like I said, for the element of line. And we're going to use all different lines inside of here to make it much more interesting and creative. So first video, we're going to go ahead and do this one. And so I'll put this one aside. This one is just a matter of tracing. And I have three different shapes here that or sizes that we will be tracing. I've got a circle shape that I cut out from a lid, and you are going to be required to trace this 6 times. Well, 6 times on this paper is going to seem awfully big, but you can see that I've already overlapped, or excuse me, I've ran this one off the paper a little bit, and you may also run it off the paper. You could also do a little bit of overlapping. I do think it would be boring to just have all 6 of them going across, so I'm going to stagger them a little bit. And like I just said, you could also overlap them. So I'm going to have this one behind the first one. Now when you do this, you want to draw as light as possible. And I am drawing dark so that you can see on the camera. But you're going to do as I say, I hope, and not as I do. And that is to draw as light as possible. So there's 3 of the designs. Not designs, the shapes. There's 4. 5, and we'll do the last one for 6. Now, once I have this done, I am also going to trace some shapes inside of it. And so these are smaller circles. I actually have a medium and a small. And I'll start with the medium. And this just breaks up that wide open circular space. And then once you get done with this, you're going to trace another circle inside of that. And that's all you have to do. So we'll go ahead and do one of these. Now I'm going to use the smallest side here because this one to me is just, there's not enough difference. But if I use the bottom of it, I think it varies just enough to give it plenty of space. And so I would continue this with all 6 of these. If you would like to do more than 6, you can. You're obviously not going to see too much, but you could definitely see one behind this and maybe over here. But 6 is your required for this project. Now again, this is just one of your options. This is your circular design idea that you might choose from. And that is the end of that video.